Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is John Biggs from Crunch Gear, and physics is my business. And our very special business today, lasers. What I have here is the Spyder 2 laser from WickedLasers. This thing is extremely bright. I'm going to put these crazy glasses on. I'll blind you again, watch this. What I've been able to do with this crazy thing is actually light a candle. I'm going to set up everything for our little experiment, and we're going to try to light a candle with this. This is a very powerful laser. It looks like it's really big. Here's your front lens. There is a lithium-ion battery inside here, and it comes with a charger as well, and it comes with these crazy glasses. And I've used WickedLasers before, and I always figured, alright, I'm not going to wear the glasses. You have to wear the glasses with these, because this is almost painful. Completely waterproof, interestingly enough. You can use it underwater, and you can be the biggest freak on your... Let's try to light a candle. We're going to turn on the light. And aim it at the wick, slowly but surely, and there we go. It's immediately started to light the candle. You see some smoke. Seeing a lot of fire. I think what we just did is we actually burned off that part of the wick, which is crazy. Incidentally, I literally burnt. I was just noticing that I was aiming at my camera across the way. I was aiming here, and I saw smoke coming up there as well. Fascinating experiences here with this extremely powerful laser. I probably should put something in the way. There we go. So what I've proven, that is, I put a little Sharpie on here. I'm able to literally burn out the black part. There's our combustion. This is exactly what I was looking for. That's it right there. And we'll do one more experiment. Go, there's our marker. Here's our fire making machine. Now, as you notice, I'm able to burn this thing almost immediately on contact. So our real key for some real fire making experience is to have a dark surface. The laser can't reflect off of the surface. This is pretty cool. This is their top of the line model. You can shoot this thing underwater. There you go. WickedLasers.com. Spyder 2 laser. laser to the stars.